If you were looking forward to another meal planning video where my husband and I argued about meat, that's not this video, unfortunately. I was cracking up at the comments of our last meal planning video. So many of y'all related to the tension over so many meat-heavy meals and wanting some lighter, healthier recipes. Anyways, this time for this meal planning video, I ended up, CR has been knee-deep in chicken poop, working on the chicken coop. Here all day. I was flying solo for the meal plan, which also meant I got to add more of my favorite stuff and less of his stuff. So I'm going to share the meal plan with you guys. The grocery haul will be after. Again, I know some of y'all are super into grocery hauls, some of you are not. So meal plan, haul, and then I do have a few of these recipes that I am going to be making a cook with me video. That's kind of how I like to do this now. I feel like that works well. Share the meal plan, grocery haul, then pick out a few of the recipes and share them with you guys. In fact, I've already recorded one. So as y'all know, what I like to do is write down 2 weeks worth of dinners, 2 weeks worth of lunches. I sort of auto-populate certain things, like every single week we have Brinner one night, which is breakfast for dinner, if you don't know. We also typically always have one night that we eat out. So whether that's ordering a pizza, or if we're out doing stuff and we end up eating out, that's kind of what we have allocated. Although I will tell you that more often than not, we've actually cooked and ended our meal plan early because we didn't eat out. So just saying, we like a lot of this food. For dinners, I have a chicken potato casserole. It's sort of a one bake dish. I've done of some variation of this before. This is a little something new with some pizzazz to it. We're also doing the ranch chicken enchiladas again because we loved those. Everybody loved those. I'm gonna make some changes to them. I'm gonna add some things in and I'm gonna make some changes to the recipe. But we're having the ranch chicken enchiladas again. If you didn't see that, I'll share the cook with me video where we share that recipe. Brinner, eat out, then 4th of July. 4th of July is upon us, and I just put 4th of July menu here because I knew I was gonna make out something separate because I'm doing some different drinks and desserts and we're doing hot dogs and all that kind of stuff. Spaghetti carbonara one night, just a fan favorite around here. Everybody loves it. And then hobo foil pockets. So my husband makes these Nola foil pockets that are very good. However, they also include like corn and shrimp, neither of which I like. And so I'm going to try my hand at a variation of these foil pockets that includes all items that I like. And so that's going to be in the cook with me video as well. I think I'm going to share the chicken potato casserole, the hobo foil pockets, and then this recipe, which is moving on to week 2, cheesy stuffed shells, spaghetti and meatballs. That's a really easy one. Again, Brinner. Taco soup. I've shared our taco soup recipe before. It's very simple, it's very easy, but it is a crowd pleaser. Chicken legs, corn, and salad. I just wanted to get some chicken drumsticks that my husband could throw on the grill and just make some corn and salad and have an easy outside dinner. And then Monte Cristo sliders. These are like little mini Monte Cristo sandwiches made with like dinner rolls. So it's sort of the idea of a Monte Cristo, but just in these little mini grab 'em size things. Let me know if any of those recipes sounded like things you definitely want to see in the next cook with me. I will try to do that if at all possible. Now for lunches, again, I plan out, I write all this out, but we don't follow it as in Monday we're having this, Tuesday we're having this. It's just this is what we can pick from. So for lunches, all of the different things I have written here, sloppy joes. Haven't made those in forever, but decided to make them again. And yeah, sloppy joes, grilled cheese. We do chicken salad sandwiches. I get the canned chicken from Sam's Club, and we do chicken salad sandwiches, just regular sandwiches like turkey ham type thing. Macaroni and cheese, that's another big love. And then sort of, I call it a snack board. I suppose more refined people might call it a charcuterie board, but it's just like a snack board to me because when it's for the kids, it's just, I like to take my cutting blocks and put them out on the table and just put out crackers and cheese and meat and some fruit and just let the kids have a very snacky lunch. Fettuccine pasta, I've shared that recipe before. ages ago. I probably need to refilm it and add it, but it is really good. It's feta pasta and these little mini pepperonis. It's really good. Chicken nuggets, because we just buy the frozen chicken nuggets at Costco. I like the panko crusted ones. Even I like them. Ravioli. Costco quit selling our favorite ravioli that we used to buy, so I had to order a completely different one from Publix, but hopefully people will like it. Quesadillas, and then corn dogs. I also buy a big box of corn dogs from Costco. My kids love corn dogs. So Benjamin, in fact, that's like his favorite word to say, corn dog. He loves corn dogs. And then a snack board again, because that's just, again, very simple and easy. So for our 4th of July menu, which I probably will share that in a vlog, honestly, but it's just, we're having hot dogs, chips, fruit kebabs. I'm making a red, white, and blue drink for the kids. I am doing a sangria type drink for the adults that's got white wine, vodka, apples, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and sparkling lemonade. And then I'm also doing a popcorn, like a 4th of July popcorn that's got like melted chocolate on it and pop rocks. And it's just a really fun, it's like fireworks in your mouth popcorn. Keeping it very simple. CR loves to grill, but he did a big brisket for my dad's 60th birthday. And so we just want to keep it really simple and just do hot dogs. And hot dogs are good. Everybody likes hot dogs. We get the all beef hot dogs from Costco, a bunch of buns, and away we go. It's simple and easy. I might do some chili with them so that you can make a chili dog if you want. That just sounds very messy though. To be honest, hot dogs are the food that my kids can grab and run around and eat while they're playing outside, and you don't have to be seated for that. So any hoobs, that's the 4th of July menu and the meal plan. I'll share with you guys the grocery haul, and then in a forthcoming video, expect the cook with me. Let me know in the comments which of those meals you'd like to see in the cook with me. That is it for me. I'm doing a lot of rhyming in this video. It's not intentional, but I'm just saying, maybe I missed my calling as a white female rapper. All right, the Costco order arrived and it is a lot. a lot. Ooh, doggy. Okay, we'll just start over here. Chicken stock, bone broth, chicken nuggets, cheese, mozzarella, Mexican style cheese, a rotisserie chicken, the smoothie mixes that we like. Shelby and I really like those. Corn dogs, that's an easy lunch. Giant thing of vanilla extract. Now, these are russet potatoes, and I had gold Yukon potatoes, so I must have exchanged those, which is fine, but also not fine. I'm gonna have to order some Yukon Golds. There's a whole bunch of hot dog buns and hamburger buns here. Tortillas. These are the Hawaiian sweet rolls for making the mini Monte Cristos. Hot dogs, obviously. Ground beef, some meatballs, and a bunch of chips, tortilla chips, scoops ones. These are, CR likes these Himalayan salt. And then 4th of July chips. We'll eat all of them, obviously. String cheese. Let's see, what am I missing here? This is for the hobo pockets. And some drumsticks, bacon. I don't think there's anything else hiding under there. Celery, corn, avocados, broccoli, raspberries, baby spinach, 2 big things of blueberries, 2 big things of strawberries, lemons, Honey Nut Cheerios. There's some brownie mix back here hiding, spaghetti noodles, Raisin Bran Crunch, pasta sauce, and salsa. I don't know if I showed that. Things of salsa, pasta sauce. This stuff is all very precariously stacked, so I'm just not moving it much. Peanut butter and canned chicken, as well as milk that's already been taken out to the other fridge. So that is the big Costco haul. All right, here is the grocery haul from Publix. This is the first time I've ordered from Publix in quite a while. Oops, I forgot to empty that one. You're gonna see probably quite a bit of junk here simply because I've got some fun things to make for 4th of July, so candy and such. I'm just gonna go through this quickly. That's what those drinks are for, the fruit punch, the red, the blue, the white, you see. That's for that 4th of July drink for the kids. There's some cheese here, sliced cheese, shredded cheese, pepper jack, Colby, Swiss. This is for the fettuccine pasta. Shelby requested queso. And then there's pico as well, some ricotta cheese, apples, pancake mix, pineapple chunks, that was a Shelby request as well, and cocoa, that's hers for baking. And then we've just got some different sliced meat. Some of these are for the Monte Cristo sandwiches, and some of them are just for regular sandwiches. Rotel, apparently they had the big cans. Breakfast sausage, ice cream, again, kid request. Crispec cereal. There's elbow macaroni, and then there's also the jumbo shells for that meal. Shelby loves these for breakfast, so she requested some of these Velveeta bites. Some beans, taco soup stuff, all the different beans and sauces and such for taco soup. Pizza rolls, another kid request. 3 cheese ravioli. Trying to find something that the kids like as much as the one we used to get from Costco. White chocolate and the Twizzlers are for the 4th of July drinks and snacks. Some ghee, white bread, and artisan bread, which is what we use for French toast. I think that covers everything from this order, and then my Costco order was obviously the bigger order, but that is everything from Les Publix. All right, that's everything we got from the grocery stores. It was definitely a lot pricier than our normal grocery hauls are. That's what happens when I do big Costco, because that stuff is going to last longer than if I was just getting a true 1 to 2 week amount of groceries. So the Costco stuff is gonna last a lot longer. Like, I'm not gonna use 6 bags of brownie mix in 2 weeks. Though I could. I definitely could, but I'm not gonna. So that stuff will last longer, and it's not all stuff that we buy every 2 weeks. I don't know why I'm trying to explain myself other than it was just more expensive than our typical groceries, but holiday, wah, excuses. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.
Rainy days don't seem so